Okay, right, this car looks super value. Are you in the market for a Range Rover? This has just arrived. It's the Edition car, the newest release for the Range Rover. This model is the 75 plate. It's only done 4,000 miles. An all black car. So the Edition model giving you the 23-inch wheel upgrade, the Shadowline exterior, the sliding roof. It's a lovely, lovely example, this. For me, just as you want your Range Rover to be, triple black with a black interior. Now, we're selling this car for a great price, in my opinion. It's just how, well, I think Land Rover have been really clever with this Edition car because they've released it with the very, very important features on the car. The wheels, the 23s, the Shadowline, the opening roof, and this one's got the steps as an option as well. It is obviously, of course, the facelifted car, so the seamlessly integrated dash through the centre, but it's also got the piano black interior, so it looks really, really nice. Of course, it's a 300 brake horsepower car, four-wheel drive, all-wheel steering and air suspension, making this a great driver. Part electric rear seat, rear climate control, heated front and rear seats. It's got everything. Santorini black is the colour, and I think if you look around this car, it just oozes class and style. To the rear, assisted tailgate, the darker badging as the Shadowline pack, split tailgate on these with a big boot, air suspension switchable from the right hand side here with electric seat fold also. And this is a car that does everything you want it to do. It's great to drive. It's got so many additional features, things like soft closing doors. You can see it's got privacy glass, so it's got a real stealthy look to it. And then the features inside, like the stereo system, Meridian sound system, electric seat, memory seat. We've still got all the blue stickers on the sills on this car. It's in a like new condition on a 75. 4,000 miles, pretty much all of its warranty and breakdown remaining with Land Rover. Steering wheel is heated, we've got adaptive cruise and lane assist. Safety settings now switchable from this little jog on the steering wheel. High, custom and low, you can toggle through those very easily off the steering wheel as well. We've obviously got loads of features to play around with: four-wheel drive, terrain settings, media interface. It's got wireless smartphone integration, wireless smartphone charging, and of course the camera system, top view camera, reversing camera, 3D surround view camera. Lovely, lovely Range Rover this. Like I say, great price for what it is. 75 plate, sliding roof, all black, so black dash, black roof lining, black exterior colour. Love it, absolutely love it. So if you're interested in buying this car, we have a simple and easy buying process. It is a like new example, so it should be easy for you to purchase this over the phone if you're a distance away from us. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. Give me a call, I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.